what we're gonna do is we're gonna get on a pad, and you might not have a pad, maybe you're gonna use a sweatshirt or a towel, and you're gonna put the foam roller right under your butt on your Achilles. And right now I have my toes under my feet, and I'm just gonna rock side to side. It's kind of massaging that Achilles tendon. And the more weight you put on it, you'll find that trouble spot. The other thing to do is then we go straight foot, and we kick those toes out, and now we rock side to side. Now this pad's about 1.5 inches, 2 inches, and this actually makes it easier. The closer my knees are to the ground, this starts to really massage out those Achilles. So I'm just rocking side to side. I love this. I go back and forth. And then I flip this foam roller over. I flip over on my backside, and maybe I roll out my hamstrings. You could stack the feet, maybe get some pressure on them, my calves here. And then we can go up the body, hamstrings, side of the leg.